Down at Medoc Mountain State Park, wanted to check on the flooding. Check this out. This is the bridge that goes across Fishing Creek here. The road shut off, as you can see. But this is nuts. I've never seen the water this high before. Totally over the bridge. I mean, this is the area you park to hike in. You can see that's all closed. Is this nuts? This is why when you buy someplace, you check on how it floods. Is this insane? Look at the water back there on the other side of the bridge, the current going through. And it's going to get higher. This is not it, so I assume all this that you see above the water now, that's all going to be underwater. I wonder what kind of damage you're going to do to the bridge. I'll walk over here a little bit. Look at that, stuff's all pooling up over there. All right. Is that insane? Never seen it like this before. This is crazy. And we passed a lot of bridges we went over where the water was right to the bottom of the bridge, that I was very leery. All right, everyone be careful out there. Thanks for watching our videos. Talk to you soon.